You think restaurant quality fried chicken is out of reach? Think again. Forget the fancy menus and expensive prices. Tonight we are taking your own kitchen to the next level with fried chicken so good it will leave you speechless. I am your host from Blogging Good Food. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes that will leave your taste buds ecstatic and speechless. Gather your goodies. First things first, the ingredients of the recipe we will need: 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breast, sliced into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup all-purpose flour, half teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon cayenne pepper, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 egg whisked, half cup buttermilk, vegetable oil for frying. Step number 2. Mix dry ingredients. In a bowl, mix the flour, paprika, cayenne, garlic powder, and black pepper. It's gonna smell like a carnival in here. Step number 3. The wet and wild tip. Now the buttermilk bath, pour it into another bowl and whisk in that egg. Step number 4. Dredge and drop. Dump those chicken pieces in the buttermilk, then coat them in that spicy flour mixture, shaking off any excess. Repeat for all the chicken, letting the flavors get nice and cozy. Step number 5. Oil up. Heat up about an inch of oil in a deep pan or fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want it hot enough, but not so hot. Safety tip: use a thermometer to ensure that oil is at the right temperature. And remember, safety first. Be careful around hot oil. Now gently drop those coated chicken pieces into the oil. Don't overcrowd the pan or you will end up with soggy sadness. Step number 6. Fry to perfection. Fry for about 3 to 4 minutes per side or until golden brown and crispy. This is where the real eye candy happens. While your chicken sunbaths in the oil, don't forget to whip up some sides. Step number 7. Rest, recharge, rejoice. Transfer the fried chicken to a paper towel lined plate to drain any excess oil. Let them rest for a few minutes, then gather your friends and family. Don't forget to check out blogginggoodfood.com for more recipe, inspo, and kitchen gadget reviews. And if you recreate this recipe, tag me on Twitter. I wanna see your fried chicken masterpieces.